Well, we're just getting ready to go back here to the baler, and each of the kids want to show you their new hats. She got a pink one, he got a green one. How do you like it?
Good.
Everybody got new hats. He's happy. So this is a farming operation. We bring the whole family along. These are decisions that's going to affect these guys generations to come. So everybody gets a little bit of something. So we're going to go back here to the baler again and just go over it a little bit with the salesman. Your guys' job is to guess what big horsepower is going to go in front of it.
Here the farmer is spreading it all around. So what we are trying to do is get all the cattle on that side of the pen. On this side of the pen, one here, 50,000 more to go. 50,000 more to go. Is that? So he's just spreading around so we can get the cattle in here, like I said. So, 3, 'Over here. They're just coming barely. As you can see, they're really kicking it up. Here he comes again. So manure spreading isn't that fun. I do not especially like cleaning around the pools, but we have to do it. It's a job, so take it on. We have been out here for a few hours on this job. It's taking quite a long time to do it. There's nice weather here.
Well, this is the last load for this month. Or at least I hope. doing a good job by himself now. John Deere 4250 power shift. What do you think, Brent? Your turn next?
Yeah.
We're getting really excited about a clean pen. So we got 2 done. We got 1 more to go yet. And there's the trouble team. Jack and Jill and Red and 60 and trouble team. What do you say, Jack? Alright guys, so we got this pen cleaned out. A little sawdust down, and we're gonna go for lunch, and we'll come back and do the top one off, and then scrape the walkway down, and we'll be good to go. There's a nice looking cow, 44. She's always my friend. I think she wants to hit me, but all right, guys. This is the last load for this month. Or at least I hope. Well guys, we found a wet spot. John Deere 4250. Don't look too good. Might need a bath. Flowers look nice anyway. I do think we'll get her out. We might have to go get a big full dry. Let me know what you think. Hope everybody's having a great day. Happy Mother's Day.